Teeth Xpress is the ability for us to replace a patient's missing teeth or dentition in one day. Patients that are just frustrated with their complete dentures, sick of using adhesives to get it to hold in. Patients that want to taste their food better, want to function better, want to be able to eat corn on the cob or apples. Those patients would definitely benefit from that. We get you in, we do what's called a three-dimensional scan or a cone beam, CT. This allows us to get a 3D rendering of your jawbone and where we're going to be placing those implants. We use that with the models that we have of your teeth that we take, and we actually combine that and we determine where we're going to put the teeth and the implants. So the day you come in for the surgery, very straightforward, very predictable. We come in, we place the implants exactly where we know where we want them to go, and we are able to restore the teeth that day. Being able to come in with teeth that are either mobile or broken and you leave that day with teeth in your mouth is really exciting for the patient. I love seeing the results.